Hello there. Today I show you my new Photoshop action engineering storm Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. This is the previously applied result. See, all layers are separate and easy to custom before and after. Any type of photography you can use this script very easily, and it's set, or you can freehand custom. All layers are separate. So now I have started using. Go my download file, you can read the help file. There is some information included, and some information like our how to load and apply. This is the brush you need to load. Select and double click, it's load your Photoshop, and same way you can select and double click pattern, it's load your Photoshop. You can load the manual, you can check out the help file, and select and double click action file, then it load your Photoshop action. Find out our action, go window and action panel, maybe right side. I have settle it left side, the up and down option. This is the last one, the already loaded this one, engineer storm Photoshop action. This is the folder and this is the script. So you can double click and it's load your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. You can check the help file. Okay, and now I have opened this photography and show you the tricks. Make sure photography is a lock icon, background name is background. Sometimes some photography not enough space, so you can do this step first. This is not mandatory, my action needed. It's needed if you photography not enough space. So make sure photography is a lock icon show and background name is background, and select this white area and shift button, another area top button and left side. Now I have go and fill. This is extra tricks, and apply content hour fill and the OK button click. Now is fill the area. Photography is working. Okay, see, and deselect for as deselection and new layer copy. So we need to merge, right button click and the fit and option. Make sure you are merge this layer. Sorry, okay, merge the layer all. Now go selection, shortcut way to selection, go selection and select subject button click. Now your photography focus point is auto selection, and create a new layer and double click new layer text option, type there brush and fill up any light color. Paint bucket tool, I have used the paint bucket tool there, and any light color and fill up the color in brush layer. See, you select the brush layer and it automatically fill up the brush layer and in selection area. Now selection and deselect. Now make sure you deselect, and there is the all in on play action play me. Select this script and hit the play button. Now start working, deepen your PC configuration and image resolution size. So all layers are separate, need 1 minute or 30 seconds only. Now stop message, show finishing message. So this is the finishing result, default result. You can combine yourself, and every layer we have include. See the all layer details in there, and see the option. This is the overlay option. Select this marks. If you want the smooth position, so you can brush. See the brush the position, and it's show. Just select this marks and soft brush. Okay, this is the extra tricks, and so this is the on option, and now introducing everything. So there is the another option, our smoke. So this is the spark. All layers are separate, and if you want to more biggest, so you can make the biggest or move, everything is possible. See, and okay, and then there is the background color. You can change very easily and combine everything, any of color. Okay, and any high resolution image support now we make to PNG transparent. See, and this is the original background combined, so also you can use your original background. See, now is more dynamic and perfect. Our materials are HD quality, and uncheck this one. Now is transparent PNG, so you can use any sublimation print or any print media or any anywhere. You can just save the transparent PNG or the transparent layer, and you can save that PSD template, transparent PNG PSD template, save just. Okay, and same this see the our image resolution 6528 is very high resolution. If you use the low resolution photography, make sure photography first make the space. This is another one I have used. And create brush, fill up, deselect. This time I have video time saving purpose, type 3500. You can use any of size. First I show you, and select the brush. If some area mistake, you can brush normal way. Okay, just select brush and normal way and hit the play button. The select all in on action, play me, and script is working. Depend your PC image resolution size. In this time I show you something. You can download this product, visit my Creative Market shop MRI Studio there. Also you can visit Creative Fabrica MRI Studio shop, our Creative Fabrica shop, and MRI Cocoon Profile Graphics River, and need to graphics, materials, graphics, all type of graphics available our Adobe Stock profile. And also you can visit my free pick profile. There is our resource we have released, and this is our store, so discount is going on. You can visit and download it. Now is complete. See the looking is great. Thanks for watch this video. Check out my video, link description. All link are available and download link include.